Welcome to Knowledge Frame. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel.
Potato. This is potato. Cauliflower. This is cauliflower. Cabbage. This is cabbage. Radish. This is radish. Tomato. This is tomato. Onion. This is onion. Pumpkin. This is pumpkin. Ginger. This is ginger. Ladyfinger. This is ladyfinger. Bottle gourd. This is bottle gourd. Bitter gourd. This is bitter gourd. Brinjal. This is brinjal. Peas. This is peas. Spinach. This is spinach. Coriander leaf. This is coriander leaf. Cucumber. This is cucumber. Ash gourd. This is ash gourd. Bell pepper. This is bell pepper. Green chilli. This is green chilli. Carrot. This is carrot. Ridge gourd. This is ridge gourd. Mushroom. This is mushroom. Sweet potato. This is sweet potato. Garlic. This is garlic. Turnip. This is turnip. Mint leaf. This is mint leaf. Lotus cucumber. This is lotus cucumber. Beetroot. This is beetroot. Cluster beans. This is cluster beans. Broccoli. This is broccoli. Green long beans. This is green long beans. French beans. This is French beans. kohlrabi. This is kohlrabi. Curry leaves. This is curry leaves. Fenugreek leaves. This is fenugreek leaves. Salad green leaves. This is salad green leaves. Fennel. This is fennel. Lemon. This is lemon. Kidney beans. This is kidney beans. Amaranth leaves. This is amaranth leaves. Snake gourd. This is snake gourd. Raw banana. This is raw banana. Chayote. This is chayote. Raw papaya. This is raw papaya. Elephant foot yam. This is elephant foot yam.